Welcome to Materia Medica Talks. The remedy which I am going to talk today is Aramor natrum. Aram met is the remedy which we often use in our practice, but Aramor natrum is something which we rarely use. So today I want to talk about that remedy. Today I want to tell the story of Aramor natrum. I am following the lectures of Dr. Gaurang Gaikwad in series. I am adding few glimpse from that also, as well as I'm going to add from other sources also, which would be really helpful in your clinical practice, and these are all the real clinical hints. Okay, so aram means respect, aram means victory, aram means dignity, aram is someone who always takes responsibility. Aram is someone when he enters into the room, everyone stands up with respect. Aram is someone who handles high responsibilities, who is capable of managing organizations. He is highly religious person. Religious not in the sense, just in the sense of God or something. He is religious in the sense of his duty bonded, highly strict person with all values. Aram is someone who is not the one who breaks so very easily. He is not the one who just breaks down in front of anyone. He is a highly matured person. Aram is someone who is ideal for so many people. Aram is someone who takes up everything as a responsibility and who takes his work as a worship. Aram is someone who wants his whole family members stay in order. For that, he will do anything. He may be a strict father, but a very responsible father, because he handles things so easily. Aram can be a lady as well, a housewife as well, but that housewife is highly responsible. He is not the one who talks anything. He is not the one who breaks so very easily. He is the one who handles the whole family despite not support from so many people. She can raise her children without the support of many people, with great heart, with great responsibility, and she teaches discipline to her children. This is Aram. Aram is highly determined person, or highly dedicated person. He is so dedicated that he is even dedicated in destruction as well. Aram is something which runs from the polarities from highly responsible to the guilt feeling of not fulfilling his responsibility. Aram is someone who may see so many high things, but still he feels that he is not doing enough. He feels guilt inside for not being good enough. He may give up at some point, thinking that I am not did some good in my life in spite of doing so many things. But what is natrum? Natrum is a grief, natrum is sorrow, natrum is someone very sensitive, soft, yielding. And if you want to give natrum, Aramor natrum, you should see these two aspects together with deep pathology like cancers, like deep bone boring pains, rheumatoid arthritis, uterine tumors, ovarian tumors, big tumors, glandular enlargement. These type of pathology with natrum type of grief, or maybe sensitiveness, sorrowness, loneliness, along with this Aurum type of highly responsible, still he feels guilt within himself because he reached so high, and after reaching that high position, it's difficult to handle the situation, and at somehow, some place he feel that I just did nothing in these years. But for many people, he is still idol, not ideal. I mean, idol. So, Dr. Gaurang explained showed one case where a very responsible father who has one company of his own, who gives up everything and he becomes a drinker after death of his wife. That is Aurum or Natrum. Means we can see both the, what happens after the death of loved ones. We often think about Ignatia or Natrum more never mix with other people. They becomes lonely, they just think about that problem only, and after that so much of grief. We can see all these aspects. Along with this, if you go deep into the past history, he is highly responsible. He is the one who is very dignified person. He is the one who took challenges in his life. He is the one who handled the whole family on his shoulders. He just given up everything after certain incidents, certain sad incidents. Aurum is the one who is attached to the some mother like figure. If he loses that person, it is gone for everything. And then what happens? Self destruction. These Aurum more people are so religious that they are even religious in destructing themselves also. It is not so very easy to take out this type of people from any traumas or anything, because they are so determined. Once they decide, they do anything. That may be a death also. If I just want to die, they just shoot themselves and die. That's it. There is no any slagging behind that, because they are so dedicated. Even in destruction also they are dedicated. Even maintaining relationships also they are very dedicated. If they get hurt, if they took any decisions, they won't take decisions so very easily. But if they take any decisions, they will stick to it. And even in a distraction, even if they are drug addicts, or maybe any when they starts drinking alcohol or something, they destruct themselves at such a high levels. It is very difficult for others to take them out from those situations. That is Aurum Met, because that is the syphilitic miasm of Aurum Met, that if they decide to die, they will die. They don't think much. And some medicines are there which they decide, they think daily, they think that I will die, I will commit suicide, and they are never going to do any such acts. But whereas in Aurum Met or Aurum elements, they will do it, because they are so religious, they are so refined persons, but that they are committed in destruction also. They maintain some discipline in destructing themselves also. This is the right word I should use. This type of person. Aurum is not a kind of normal person. He is such a responsible, dignified person. Aurum, gold. I love gold, right? So that is more or less about Aurum or Natrum. And along with this mental picture with physical symptoms of high pathology like ovaries, big ovarian tumor, or maybe cancers, or maybe glandular problems, or maybe too much distractions like alcoholism or something, you can think of this remedy. Thank you.